welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I believe this is the one for July of 2020. I know, I kind of have a little bit of a backlog of stuff to review and open and unbox and stuff right now, so this is either June or July. I want to say it's the July box though, so we're gonna get right into it. But I am so happy with this box, guys. I can't even tell you. Okay, so here's our cover. Our little cover story is the little things. Without the usual warm weather joys, travel, barbecues, a packed brunch schedule, I'm looking for pick-me-ups in other forms. I'll be gazing out of my New Jersey window, mimosa in hand, while cherishing all the seasonal things I can enjoy at home. Like that mimosa. But also a glass skin serum for instant dewiness and a lactic acid cleanser for remedying face covering and sweat-induced breakouts, plus a peachy multi-purpose tint that makes it look like I've gotten more than a few sporadic hours outdoors. You can find them all in your box. Consider it your summer beauty and summer joy starter kit. By Jessica Cruel, the features director. And this is her. So, first thing in here that's on the first page, and what made me almost shriek with joy when I saw that this is not only in here, but it's full size. The Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Holy crap, guys. It's luminous and translucent with peach extract and peptide complex. Why compromise? Have it all. These products are inspired by you. We push the limits of innovation to make sure your skincare includes everything you want and nothing you don't. Visible results through clinically proven ingredients, irresistibly decadent textures, and only clean formulas. We combine breakthrough research with proven traditions to bring you the best results in a safe and delightful way. Poreless, luminous, translucent glass skin is yours. This revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, niacinamide, madecassoside, and peptides helps hydrate, brighten, and minimize the appearance of pores, helping you get your clearest, most radiant glass skin. I admittedly have been seeing that term so frequently lately, and now that I know what glass skin is, I'm like, oh yeah, I want that. Anyway, ooh, almost dropped it. Directions: pat on to clean dry skin, can be used AM and PM daily. Let's see here. 100% worry-free, cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and vegan. No sulfates, synthetic fragrances, formaldehyde, synthetic dyes, or colorants, parabens, mineral oil, silicones, and more. This formula is also vegan and gluten-free. We never test on animals. So, what it says in the pamphlet: if you run a Google image search on glass skin, your skin will be flooded with pictures of complexions so glowy they're almost reflective. Truth. It literally looks like their skin is wet. It's so reflective. That seemed a tall order for me, a person whose skin has more a sheen like aluminum foil than glass. Also true. But I'm pleased to report that this serum has given my stressed-looking complexion that extra oomph it needed to be dewy. I noticed an immediate glow and plumping effect thanks to hyaluronic acid in the blend. My skin probably still isn't radiant enough to go viral for its reflective power, but it does look the healthiest and happiest it has in a while. And I'll take that over regrams any day. So the price for this is $39, which, although steep, is still in the range of doable for me, so if I fall in love with it, I am happy to throw money at that. You can buy it at peachandlily.com. You can enter the code Allure10 at checkout to receive 10% off through September 30th. Next thing in here, I should also mention with the Allure boxes, they've been $16 all along while I've been a member, but as of next month, they're bumping up the price to $25 a month. So good thing I didn't subscribe to another beauty box, because, yeah, the price is going up and I'm not canceling. But they're going to start putting in 3 full-size products in every box. So, you know, it does trade off. So next thing in here is the OC Ocean Cleanser that mineralizes and balances. So, the OC Ocean Cleanser. My skin is on the dry side, so the wrong face wash can leave my face uncomfortably tight, red, and in need of a thick moisturizer. I have combo skin, but I definitely agree with the sentiment. At least on certain parts of my face. Not so much my T-zone, but everywhere else. Yeah. But I've also got new oily... Well, here we go. New oily patches on my chin and forehead that need something stronger than my usual cleansing routine, so I gave OC Ocean Cleanser with a mix of hydrating and clarifying oils a go. It neutralized the oil in my T-zone, hydrated my dry cheeks, and left my skin glowing. It contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliator. I loved how the gel melted into a silky foam and had a refreshing citrusy scent, and its cooling sensation was much appreciated after a sweaty run or a long stuffy day in front of my laptop. Price for this is $48, so this one I'm probably going to be enjoying what I've got here, but I don't think I'm going to be buying a cleanser that pricey. I already feel extra enough for buying the Fab cleanser, knowing that it's like $28, so... Okay, next thing in here is the Butane Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. So this is what the little package looks like. It's got cute little peaches all over it, which you know how I feel about peaches. Achieve a natural dewy flush of color with this buttery cream blusher that blends seamlessly into cheeks and doubles up as an effortless lip color. Crafted with 90% natural plant-based oils to nourish, condition, and hydrate the skin while bestowing the most gorgeous creamy radiance to the cheeks and lips. Well, here's the thing. Whenever I try the ones that say they can be used on cheeks and lips, I pick or choose which one it's gonna be. But usually it just ends up being for lips, since most of them, I don't know what it is with me and cream blushes, but my skin does not like to play nicely with it. It breaks out like crazy. Oh, this has plastic around it. I can't quite open that yet, I don't think, but I can tilt it so you can see the color anyway. Look at that. That's gonna be pretty, but it doesn't look like there's very much in it. Most of that's just clear acrylic. Part of me wants to open it just to see how much is in there. Is this an optical illusion? Illusions, Michael. But, sorry. Arrested Development joke. But anyway, let's see. Where is there a spot I can get a point of purchase with this? Okay, there we go. Okay. Well, this looks more blushy to me than lip color, but doesn't smell very good either, but that's okay. But look at that. Maybe a little too dark as a blusher for me. I can try it. If it's really sheer, maybe, but if it's opaque and it goes on that color, there's no way that's gonna work on me. But it could work for my lips, so I mean, there is that. It looks lighter in the magazine, but anyways. So... Blush is the unsung hero of my makeup bag. It can make everything better in seconds. That is, if you find the right formula and apply it strategically so skin appears sun-kissed, not sunburned. That. Oh god, apparently I have yet to learn this trick. When I apply this Butanique balm to my cheekbones and outward to my hairline, the vibrant peach warms up my fair skin as if I've spent a day at the beach without all the UV exposure. I also layer the sheer but buildable formula on my lips. The long list of moisturizing oils, apricot, coconut, grapeseed, and pomegranate, keeps my lips soft, never sticky. To finish, I apply the tint across my eyelids for a subtle wink of color. For those of you keeping track, that's a full monochromatic makeup look using just one product. No matter where you decide to put this balm, the result is the same, a fresh, hydrated flush. The price is $16 for this. I mean, that sounds great in theory, and if it actually works out the way that they're saying, that could be really pretty. I could definitely see that working as like a cream eyeshadow for me, even if it is that opaque. Blush, I don't know. I mean, she did mention that she's very fair, so maybe. But, the lip color could definitely work, so I'm like, well, we'll give it a shot. Not today, but we'll give it a shot. We've got, ooh. Hello, just saying I need some of these too. Where's the little pack? Do we not have a page for these? Hold up. I think they forgot to do a page for these. I wonder if this is just like a random sample they threw in there, because they have this like ad on the back for these Avarel acne cover patches. And there is like a little thing on them. There's 8 patches in here, which is great, but there's no page with a little article on them like there usually is for the products that are in here. So I'm like, oh, okay, well, I guess that's a thing. Oh, this is itty bitty. What is this? The Dr. Jart Every Sunday Mineral Sunscreen. This is like the tiniest sample of sunscreen in the world. And the full size is $39. Yeah, buddy. Not gonna be buying that, but I'll use this, I guess, on my face maybe, just because it's small enough to do probably only my face. Before New York City was on lockdown, I boarded a flight to Florida for a nice weekend getaway. Months later, I'm still in the Sunshine State and need to get serious about sunscreen, which I've never been the best about wearing every day. But this one has changed me. The formula is light, not greasy. It's got zinc oxide and titanium dioxide to create a physical barrier that's safe for sensitive skin, and it dries down glowy without leaving a Casper-like cast. Well, that sounds good, I guess. Whether I'm going on my daily walk or sitting by the window with my laptop, I'll never be tempted to skip the sunscreen again. See, that's one of those things where it's like, I know if you sit near a sunny window all day, you're still supposed to wear sunscreen, but I don't, and I should, but I don't. Especially having already had a melanoma scare at a very young age, I really should, but I don't. My solution to this is I just plain don't go outside, ever, for any reason, if it's like daylight hours usually. But that doesn't change the fact that I do sit right near the windows most of the time. But I've never gotten like sunburned. I've never even gotten color by sitting near a window. Part of me feels like I must be protected enough, even though everything I keep reading about this says, no, bitch, you're not protected enough that way, so. But sunscreen's expensive, and it feels like a waste when I'm not actually going out in it. Does anybody feel for me what I'm talking about here? I can't be the only one, even though I know logically it's really bad for you, but anyways. Finally, we all know I'm excited for this because it's a sheet mask, and we know I love my sheet masks, and it's a charcoal one, and my skin likes charcoal almost as much as it likes honey, and almost as much as it likes clay, but it's a fan of charcoal too. So, this is by Lapkos Daily Skin Mask in charcoal. And this one, $3, so if I like it, I can totally get more or try others from them. Didn't we get another one from them? It was like the ceramide one, or was that a different brand? I don't remember for sure, but I know I got one with a very similar packaging in a different Allure box. A lot of charcoal detox masks leave your face downright thirsty. Apparently mine must be either moisturized enough or is oily enough to where I don't really struggle with this. For me, it kind of just balances it. They're often too much for my skin, but this is the rare one that I don't have to follow with hyaluronic acid. This sheet mask pulls dirt out of pores with charcoal powder, but it's also soaked in a serum that balances clarifying ingredients, salicylic acid and tea tree oil, with hydrating ones, sodium hyaluronate. After peeling it off, the pores on my nose, which seemed to be perpetually packed with dirt, were barely visible. My complexion looked brighter and my face felt hydrated, not parched. And if you go to lapkosusa.com, you can enter the code CharcoalPad at checkout to receive a free charcoal exfoliating and cleansing pad with your purchase, which is good through August 31st of this year. I'm filming this on the 28th. Probably won't go up until after that date. Good job, self. You suck. And then there's a little card in here. Peach and Lily. So, the creators of glass skin, but it's more just about the glass skin thing, but I'm here for it. Poreless Luminous Translucent. It's a revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, niacinamide, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. We already knew that, but I mean, that's cool. Glass skin, Poreless Luminous, and like, really though, this already says it on the package itself? Like, we literally already read that. They just, I don't know what they're doing there or why that was necessary, but okay. I guess that is a thing. So yeah, we got, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 products if you count the acne patches that there's no actual product info about in here. And honestly, I cannot complain because they are very nice products and I feel excited for almost every single one of them. The only one I'm just a little bit about is just that itty bitty thing of sunscreen, and if it were a bigger thing of sunscreen, I'd be more excited for it, but again, that is okay by me. Everything else in there I'm super stoked for, so no complaints. So, anyway guys, that's it from me for this one. So as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. If you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye bye.